Well, it's another cold morning here in Zone 9B in Louisiana. Oh, I think we're feeling like in the 30s this morning. I'll rush out here before I get to work and check on my garden. Because with this time change, it'll be dark when I get home. I don't get to see anything. But look over here. Oh, my mustard greens. I need to harvest some of you to have for Thanksgiving. Look over here. Here's some of my collard greens. I don't know what's this here growing on here. The little white spots coming on them. They got some beautiful leaves right there. Some growing back there. Got more of the mustard greens than anything. I have them covered up here. Gotta see if I can hurry up before I go to work this morning and harvest some of them. I have my pineapples covered up and my orange tree covered up. Try to help them with this cold weather here. Look at my cabbage. Cabbage growing beautiful. I know it's cold out here for y'all. Continue to grow. Let's see over here. Okay. My sugar snap peas. Have some more growing there. Okay, sugar snap peas. Come on. Look at you. I see you. I see you. Come on, grow some more. Come on, sugar snap peas. Come on up. I have some of my cauliflower and some more cabbage and broccoli growing over here. Over here got celery and some more cabbage I got growing over here. Look at my onions. Onions coming up. Onions coming up. I put onions and garlic over here, but more garlic, but I don't see any of the garlic, but just a few poking up. But more of the onion are growing over there. Here's some more of my cabbage. Some more of my cabbage. Got my lemon covered up. Oh boy. Man, it's cold out there. Put some more of my mustard greens over here. Still have some of my beans, green beans and yellow wax beans growing here. Here's some more of my collard greens. Have collard greens coming here. And a little, some of them are sprouting up there. Come on, collard green. This is my lettuce bed. Come on, lettuce. Come on and grow. And I put spinach over here. The spinach is taking just too long to grow. I'm gonna have to take this little green bean up that I have. It's been died out. That's a quick tour of my garden this morning. Get over here and see if I can get some of this mustard greens and stuff harvest. Have some more collard greens growing over in here. Oh, it's just so cold. Okay, let me get busy here, see if I can harvest some of these collard greens and mustard greens this morning. Because tomorrow is going to be Saturday is going to be a rainy day. Not going to be able to get out here at all. Look at those beautiful red mustard greens. Looking good. Okay. It's cold out here. I know y'all cold. Okay, let me harvest some more of these mustard and collard greens. Okay, here's my harvest this morning of some collard greens and some mustard greens. All looking good. Grown in Big Mama's garden.